Hello there, my name is Ollie from Anchor 4x4 and today I have for you the 2021 Ford Ranger Raptor edition. Now this one does come to you with just under 40,000 miles on the clock, and of course it has your essentials: cruise control, hands-free cooling, voice assist, heated seats both at the front and also are electric as well. As well as that, this has dual air conditioning, Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, as well as a reversing camera and satellite navigation. As well as that, this does have two-wheel drive, four-wheel drive and also low range. If I do just show you the back three seats, you can also see that they do also come with that lovely part leather upholstery with also the blue stitching to match that wild track theming and also the outside of the vehicle. Just down here we do also have a 150 watt mains outlet as well as a 12 volt outlet to match the two at the front. Lovely big bed on the back of this double cab pickup truck as well, which does come with a cover. And now is the time to buy one of these. In April, this will be considered a car, so that means you can't reclaim tax back if you are buying it for commercial use. And if you'd like to find out more information about this vehicle, then please do feel free to head over to our website, anchorvans.co.uk or anchorcars.co.uk. Both are links in the description below. And if not, you can always come to our site in Padworth, just outside of Reading, to discover more about this and many, many more of our pickup trucks and vehicles.